We're here on Spring Garden Street in the Fairmount neighborhood of Philadelphia. And back in the 1800s, when these houses were built, a lot of them had carriage houses on streets to the rear. So the whole house remodel we're doing here is actually one of those carriage houses that has been converted to a residence. So your carriage house is where you'd store your horses and hay, because back when these houses were built, you didn't have a car. Here you see the back of the houses, and then they would cross this alley to the carriage houses. This is one of our past projects on this block, and I'll show you something here. This is called a jostle stone. So this was here so that as your carriage pulled into the garage, you're not going to damage the walls. Now we'll take you inside, see the drywall progress. Now, if you've been in a basement or a utility space, you've probably seen some pretty ugly access panels. Here's a type of panel we use that gets mudded in with the drywall. You can see we have one for the water meter and one for the gas. And once these get sanded and finished and painted, it'll be flush with the wall and a much more attractive look than your traditional site-built access panel. This is the laundry room. Into the hall where we have one of many arches. And this is the office in the front of the house. Another arch, a little deeper because we're going through a large block wall. Carl's taping off HVAC hits behind me because they're about to start spraying paint in here. And Asher's doing the same thing here in the gym. In this space, you'll see we don't have any drywall because we're going to have a sauna here. Start heading up our stairs. And into our kitchen. In this recessed area, we'll have extra storage behind sliding stone panels. Into our master suite. The closet, nice and big. And the master bath. I'll head upstairs to the third floor. You can see all this great natural light.